What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a gorgeous 2016 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited in Cosmic Blue Pearl. Love this paint. Get a nice close-up on it. It's got a ton of metal flake in it. When the sun hits it right, you can see green, blue, flake. Beautiful. Got the LED spot lamps and headlight. This one's got the 103-inch fuel-injected V-twin with a 6-speed transmission. Got floorboards for the driver. It's also got the liquid-cooled heads. Heat shields, oversized pegs for the passenger. Actually, this is a limited low model, so it's a little bit lower than the standard limited. You got a lower profile seat, good back support. The low also has some thinner grips, and it's also got a kickstand extension. Nice backrest for the passenger. You got the one-touch saddlebag latches. I didn't see any scratches, paint chips, no cosmetic issues with this bike. Perfect condition. Plenty of storage area. You got the chrome luggage rack on the top. Limited has a 12-volt hookup in the rear. Got your owner's manual, the Boom audio manual. If you want to read up on that stuff. It's got a good Dunlop tire on the rear. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. All the chrome looks real nice. Got electronic cruise control. It's got the Boom audio speakers, vivid black painted inner fairing, the 6.5-inch touchscreen display with navigation. Got the adjustable wind deflectors. It's also got a vent up in the bat wing. They started that on the 14 and up touring bikes. This one's got ABS brakes. Good Dunlop on the front. Low miles, a little over 4,000 miles. This bike is excellent for touring, so comfortable. 4,348. Bike runs fantastic, looks excellent. If you're a shorter person, this is a good bike. You still want to ride a touring bike, this one's going to be a lot easier for you. Even a taller guy like myself, 6'1", it's just, your knees are bent. I mean, it's just really relaxed. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.